DFCCIL, that is Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India, has become synonymous with the word game changer as it transforms transportation of cargo by rail by developing faster, longer, heavier freight trains and building a state-of-the-art supply chain network in the country.
भारत दुनिया की बड़ी आर्थिक ताकत बनने के रास्ते पर की तरफ तेजी से आगे बढ़ रहा है। तब बेहतरीन कनेक्टिविटी देश की प्राथमिकता और डेडिकेटेड फ्रेट कॉरिडोर इसी दिशा में बहुत बड़ा कदम है।
With 3,300 kilometers long, mostly double-line, fully automatic, electrified railway tracks, these two rail corridors, WDFC between Delhi, Mumbai and EDFC between Ludhiana, Kolkata, are the largest and most ambitious rail projects in the country since independence. With this unprecedented development in the country's rail infrastructure, freight trains will move cargo from one place to another at 2 to 3 times the present speeds. Due to this, the cost of transporting goods is reducing on the one hand, and on the other, the demand for Indian products in the international market is increasing. The industry will directly benefit from the reduced unit cost of transportation by bringing the logistics cost to less than 10% from the present 14 to 15%, making the Indian products more competitive in the global market as also cheaper in the domestic economy. The 1,506-kilometer long Western Dedicated Freight Corridor from Dadri to Jawaharlal Nehru Port in Maharashtra will pass through the states of Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Maharashtra. In the year 2021, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi dedicated the 306-kilometer long New Rewari-New Madar section to the nation. The 1,875-kilometer long Eastern Dedicated Freight Corridor from Ludhiana to Dankuni in West Bengal will pass through the states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. The operations on this section commenced in December 2020 with the inauguration of the 331 kilometers New Bhaupur, New Khurja section by the Honorable Prime Minister. Freight trains are now running at 100 kilometers per hour speeds on dedicated freight tracks, which are 1.5 kilometers long and in double stack mode. It is noteworthy that Delhi-Mumbai and Delhi-Howrah are the busiest rail routes in the country. With the construction of dedicated rail corridors on these routes, freight transportation has got new tracks with a huge impetus to the logistics providers and industries which fall on the route of these two corridors. While the passenger train operation has become congestion-free due to the released capacity, leading to improved punctuality and a more comfortable journey. Some special features of this project are operation of electrified double-stack long-haul freight train, DOT, trucks on train services, private freight terminals and multimodal logistics park, MMLP, along the industrial corridors including for the Pradhan Mantri Gati Shakti Mission Yojana. Control center equipped with world-class facilities. Operation of freight trains carrying up to 13,000 tons of goods has become possible on these corridors. Excellent connectivity to ports in West Bengal, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Reduced carbon footprint with complete electrification of the DFC corridors, bringing closer the commitment of zero emission by Indian Railways. The DFC project is also envisioned to connect the eastern and western parts of the country with southern India through major ports of Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. This will speed up the movement of goods and increase the capacity of the railway network. Along with this, the business activities of ports, exporters, importers, shipping lines, container operators, etc. will get an unprecedented momentum. With transformative and efficient operation, mobility and low rates of logistics, these corridors will play an important role in realizing the dream of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi of self-reliant India and in making the country an economic powerhouse. With all its energy and ability, DFCCIL is committed to implement and make successful the objectives of Honorable Prime Minister's ambitious Gati Shakti Yojana to reduce the unit cost of transportation to below 10%, to deploy the most modern technology in engineering, signaling and train operations, and to make India an economic superpower. as we celebrate the 75th year of our independence.